Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Converting a PDF to Word while keeping all your formatting intact can be tricky, but I'm going to walk you through the best methods available right now. Step 1. Understanding why formatting gets lost. When you convert a PDF, sometimes the fonts, spacing, and layout change because Word reads the file differently than PDF software does. This happens because PDF and Word handle their code in completely different ways, so it's important to pick the right conversion method from the start. Step 2. Using Microsoft Word's built-in conversion feature. Open Word, go to File, then Open, and select your PDF file directly. Word will attempt to convert it for you automatically. This works best with simpler PDFs that don't have complex layouts or images. The conversion usually takes a few seconds, and you can then edit the document as a normal Word file. Step 3. Taking advantage of online conversion tools. Websites like Smolpf, Illuvetf, and Adobe's own online converter let you upload your PDF and download it as a Word document. These tools use advanced algorithms to preserve formatting better than some older methods. Make sure to choose a tool with good reviews and privacy protection before uploading sensitive documents. Step 4. Using Adobe Acrobat's export feature. If you have Adobe Acrobat installed, right-click your PDF, select Export to, and choose Microsoft Word format. Adobe's native conversion is usually more accurate because it understands PDF structure intimately. This method preserves complex formatting, multiple columns, and embedded objects better than most alternatives. Step 5. Checking and fixing your converted document. After conversion, review the entire document for any formatting issues, misaligned text, or missing images. Some elements might need manual adjustment, especially tables and headers. Save your cleaned up version and you're done converting without major formatting loss.